If you're considering buying Enviz, there are a few key things you should know before making that decision. In this video, we'll break down the 7 most important things to keep in mind before you dive in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what this software offers, how it stacks up against the competition, and whether it's the right fit for your needs. Stick around until the end for some exclusive tips on how to make the most out of it. First off, Enviz is a powerful software that focuses on data visualization and collaboration. If you're looking for a tool that allows you to create interactive reports, dashboards, and presentations quickly and with ease, Enviz can be a strong contender. However, before you take the plunge, you need to understand that while it's an excellent tool for teams and data-driven businesses, it might not be the best choice for those looking for highly customizable design features. Compared to other software like Tableau or Power BI, Enviz offers simplicity over customization, which may be exactly what some users are looking for. Next thing to keep in mind is how easy it is to get started with Enviz. One of its strongest points is the user-friendly interface. It's designed for people who may not be experienced with complex data visualization tools. The learning curve is minimal compared to something like Tableau, which requires a bit more technical knowledge. This makes Enviz an attractive choice for small to medium-sized businesses that need robust data visualization capabilities but don't have the resources to dedicate to long training periods. The third thing you need to know is the pricing structure. While Enviz offers a free trial that you can use to explore its features, the paid plans are where it starts to differentiate itself from the competition. Unlike more expensive alternatives, such as Power BI or Tableau, Enviz's pricing is generally more affordable. However, it's worth noting that the more advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans, so if you're expecting access to every bell and whistle, be prepared to invest in a premium plan. You should consider if the price aligns with the value you'll actually get from it based on your team's specific needs. Next, let's talk integrations. Enviz provides seamless integrations with tools like Google Analytics, Salesforce, and other popular business tools. If you're already using these platforms, Enviz will fit into your workflow quite easily. However, if you rely on niche or less common business software, you might run into some limitations. It's not as robust as competitors like Power BI when it comes to a wider variety of integrations, but for most businesses, the essential integrations are there. The fifth thing to consider is collaboration features. Enviz shines in this area compared to other options, like Google Data Studio. It allows for real-time collaboration and sharing, making it ideal for teams working on reports and presentations together. Unlike other software that may require you to send files back and forth or struggle with version control, Enviz keeps everything in one place, which can save a lot of time and prevent miscommunication. Next, let's talk about customer support. Enviz offers solid customer support, but it isn't as expansive as some of its competitors. Tools like Tableau and Power BI offer extensive community forums and knowledge bases. Enviz has a decent support team, but you may find that they don't have as wide a community base to rely on when troubleshooting. For most basic issues, though, their support team is quick to respond, so it's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind. The last thing you need to consider is the scalability of Enviz. It works great for small teams, but if you're looking for enterprise-level scalability and advanced features, this might not be the best fit. Larger organizations with massive datasets might find that the more advanced functionality from tools like Power BI or Tableau offers a better long-term solution. However, if you're a smaller company or a startup looking for a powerful yet affordable option, Enviz may be just what you need. If you want to give Enviz a try and see if it's the right fit for you, click the first link in the description to access the best free trial of the software, along with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on the opportunity to test out this powerful tool and explore all its features for yourself.